In this video we will be explaining to you the futuristic application which is used in Millennium schools. What is WP Classroom? WP Classroom is a school management software that enhances the way your school operates. It provides solutions that are user-friendly and act in real time. Increase the reputation of your institution now with WP Android app. Why WP Classroom? Smart devices are becoming an integral part of our life, just like mobile billing, train ticket, SMS, emails, social media. But when it comes to the child education, they are still managed traditionally, manually, like attendance register, homework diary, report cards, notifications, etc. WP Classroom brings you an intelligent interface that will help you manage an institute at a click of a button. It enables smart communication within school between teachers and parents. What are the salient features of WP Classroom? Convenient and user-friendly. Get app with your school or institute name. Smart real-time attendance. Real-time update to parents about child's activities. Homework assignment. Exam results. Push notifications. Holiday calendar. Live updates on notice and events. Students can perform following task. Students can view self-attendance. Students can view self-report card. Students can apply for leave. For more information, contact our local partners now.